It was a lovely evening at Vickerstown Station, so Topham Hatt was in charge of the parking lot again due to some pranksters, so the island was controllerless for a little while. I was speaking to James. Another engine had arrived to the island to help. James was very ecstatic. He knew who the new arrival was. I was very dismissive, in a way, but took interest as well. Interest in the fact that I was interested in the conversation and whatnot. And soon... "Oh, gotta go," said Duck as he made his way. Soon it was time for James to leave with his passenger train. I was very interested at the thought. At the sheds of Vickerstown, Henry was speaking to the new engine. The new engine had arrived recently and was about to get some good night's rest. Henry assured that things would be all right. As Henry kept talking to the engine, I couldn't help but overhear the conversation. And then I thought to myself, no, I shouldn't do this. I must get back to work. And so, I headed over to Barrow to shunt on my own for a little while, to take my mind off this new engine. Now, who would this new engine be? Well, that would be a story for another day.